Okay, this is Morgan Drifts. She's one of the young ladies that's out here today, killing it, of course. I want to make sure I bring you guys some swag for sure. Make sure you check out that orange top, Lithium top. Let's take that first. Tripper second. Make some noise for the
Tout un show?
Ouais, j'aurais fait pareil avec mon genre là.
Ouais.
C'est un gars
qui cherche un parking qui a fait
c'est pas dit que c'est trop peu de place.
You guys like that big smile? Yeah, we just keep it down, man. Keep it like that. We want the big smile on there.
Oh!
The first 2 years he was down there right out the way. Is that the third year? I get it, big man. Welcome. Thank you guys for coming out. Ultimate Unleashed right here. Las Vegas SEMA 2024. We got a lot more to go from the jewel talk, so the show is just getting started.
Hell yeah.
Rocking right here.
Not bad for a squirrel boy.
Way hard on your end, especially.
Struggle just to keep up with the technology and everything that's out there. Everybody's got their R&D labs, everybody's got new tooling. It seems like all the manufacturers, they want to institute new rules every year. So then it's like, how do you
Oh yeah, here. This one was my favorite one.
Let's get ready to go.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know.
I see all your good jumping in back. We're riding.
I like this sound.
AC car, they want to tow everything.
Everything's expensive. Salvage values are kind of high.
It's true. How much she's doing this hard, bro. Yeah, it's all that good. It's crazy. Bro, he's putting on a show, man.
one side of the wheel isn't even touching the ground.
Deep round of applause for the drifts. Game 3 start.
Okay, this is
That's a good one. It was too cold and blizzard. I need to get out here with some sun. Now look at Las Vegas. Look at this drifting pool right through. Swinging sideways. Mustang coming.
All right, Ben Hobson pulling out as Von Gate Jr. pulls it in. You got the little moist towelette here. So kind, you know, when you walk into the house. He wipes his feet. All these guys, they wipe their. What are we doing? 1, 2, 3. What do we got? Oh, we're going. You guys want to see all three go at the same time? Well, guess what? I do have that power. I don't have the power to let you drive. I don't have the power to let you get a ride along, but I do have the power to let that happen for you. We're gonna manifest destiny of this thing. So again, James Dean just wrapped up his 4th championship. Let's back it up. Let's get it right. October 2023. That dude, first ever right-hand drive Mustang in the States. He crashes into a wall, slams it, roll the tape, right? Obviously, I'm joking, but look at it, look back at it. James Dean crashes the wall, breaks his collarbone, and still gets 3rd place with a broken collarbone. I mean, again, right-hand drive. So here he is driving, shifting, doing that with a broken. Unbelievable. Gets third place. This year comes back, unprecedented amount of podiums. He wins the first ever 4-time champion, James Machine Dean. Now all 3 cars, Hobson, Dean, Giddens, set it! Come on now, make some noise. Got your hands in your pockets? Come on, kids. Should be way high, more than that. Come on. Yo, this ain't golf. This ain't golf. No golf claps here. Come on now. It's fun getting somebody. That's what I love about SEMA. Just all, you know, the cars are great. Technology awesome. I'll tell you what, the people. That's what it's really about, man. 50 plus years, SEMA show's been going.
Action Sports. Making sure the bikes are warmed up, clicking in the second gear of the 450s, making sure that runway feels good, clicking them down to that 9-foot tall rocks, sending them 3.5 stories in the air, and all the way out 75 feet onto this airbag landing. Up right now. I hope you guys are ready. I'm going to call you guys my left side over here. Okay, so funny. I'm looking at you guys. Everyone's just doing this. Wax on, wax off. Wax on. I'm going to call you guys my left side. So left side getting ready. I'm going to call you guys my right side over here. Right side getting ready. One thing I don't want to see at any time It's all going to be fueled by your applause. So if I see arms crossed, hands in pockets, being a professional MC, I will call you guys out, make you a big part of the show in a heartbeat like that. So, left side, by raising hands, how many of you guys, the first time seeing Freestyle Moto Nitro Circus in person? Somebody raise your hands out here. There we go. Right side, how many of you guys first time out here? Yes. For my first timers, we're going to take you on a Nitro Circus ride, and it's going to be a really crazy one. The louder and crazy you guys get, the more tricks you get, you're coming away. The louder you guys get, the more these guys are going to throw down. It all comes down to you guys giving them the noise. They take that noise and they turn it into high-flying freestyle nitrous action. When we crack the throttle, that's us telling you we want you guys to make some noise. He's going to go down the far side. When he does, he's going to make a lap around. He's going to click his 450 into second gear. He's going to go around that. A big warm welcome. Say hello to Keith Sayers. Keith Sayers is in the house. I feel like a caged animal right now because you guys have no idea how much energy we have going on right now. You guys ready? One more time, make some noise. Say hello to Keith Sayers. Keith's making his way back here in the lineup. Next rider, he's out here stage locked, rocking, ready to roll. This guy, avid surfer, avid golfer. Been traveling around the world non-stop with the old Hot Wheels live tour. He's doing it for Thrill Seekers. He's doing it for Thor. He's doing it for DVK, KSFMX, and Nitro Circus. This guy says, if one person makes noise, I'll go big. If everybody makes noise, I'll go as big as possible every time. Get ready to say hello to Luke Dolan. In the house, he's getting ready to make that turn off the airbag. When he does, I want you guys to get those hands right, left to right to left, use those voices. Say hello to Luke's going to be making his way down the runway. When he does, remind yourselves, if you guys like what you're seeing here, make sure you look at these A-frames, the backside of them. Scan the QR code, get your tickets for Nitro Circus. Second stop in Fargo tonight. Get those tickets ready. Third rider ready to go. This guy, doing it for Fly Racing. Let's ride. He's doing it for, yes, you know, DBK doing it also for KSFMX and Nitro Circus. You might have seen this guy doing the same stunt you're about to see him do right here in the winter X here on this 450 now. Let's say hello to Willie. Willie Elam is in the house. Who gets thrown out hats already? Willie's going to make that turn coming down off that airbag. When he does, you know what to do. Let's give another big warm welcome. Say hello to Willie Elam. Next rider, locked, rock, ready to roll this guy's stage. And here comes Keith Sayers. I see you guys smiling out there. I see you. Some of you still hanging out with the captain from last night. I see you guys smiling. Yes, locking in the toes. And that is the cliffhanger. Luke Dolan, only thing locking him in, the tips of his boots. 3.5 stories above us. Check this out. Yes, picking it up. See if the noise is coming from left side or right side, and do the tricks on the louder side. Look at that, one-handed heart attack, look back. Grabbing it in, one hand going completely vertical, one-handed heart attack coming out for you. Remember, they're listening to see who's the loudest side, left side or right side. They'll throw the tricks to you. Who's going to make the noise and be the loudest? Yes, double grab into the double grab, switching the legs into the X position, Nitro cross style, and doing it for Nitro Circus out here, throwing down for you. Yes, I think Luke wants you guys to move it in there. I forgot he's an avid dancer too. He's got the moves. Right side, you guys ready? Check this out. Yes, the 80, rocking it in there, going as big as possible, like the handstand on top of a 250-pound motorcycle, 3.5 stories in the air. Look at that. Wow. Yes, the side show. He heard you left side make the noise. He's running off his bike. Right side. Remember, we're going to switch back and forth. Who makes the most noise? You get the trick coming your way. Let me hear you make some noise. Here comes Keith Sayers. Yes, no-handed Superman right there into the 80 air. Multiple variations going down already. But I think my boys are teasing you guys. They want a little bit more noise. They're rock solid, floating completely above the bike. Make the noise for Luke Dolan down there. A little rock solid going down for you. Yes, reaching back, right hand, reach back, grabbing that left move. A little bit bigger. So let's see what we have coming down the line right here for Brody Wilson. Yes, multiple variations throwing down, but right side, you guys want to go bigger, right? We always go bigger. Left side, we know you guys want to go bigger, right? The hot fives are coming out. Let's see if we can take him to the next level. So, second rider going upside down. Let me hear you left to right side. Let me hear you make some noise. No-handed as big as possible. No-handed flip. That's 2 of the 4. Here comes the third. Will we make enough noise to get him up? Let him hear ya. Yes, turn the mic over to the side, almost like a table upside down. Cranking that one to the side. Here comes Brody Wilson. Can, one-handed. Who's having a good time with Nitro Circus? You guys having a good time? I think we should take it another level up. Like we always do at Nitro. We never know. There's no level other than as big as possible. Check this out. Yes, a sideshow. Key stickers off to the left side of the mic, ripping it in and doing it for you. But I think we should go a little bit bigger, right? We should always go a little bit bigger. Right side, you guys ready? Check this out. Huge Indy. Left side, you guys want to go bigger, right? Right side always says they want to landing side said they want to go bigger. Check it out. Knack, flip, throwing it down, a little knack, flip. But I think my boys are teasing you guys. Cordova flip. That's one of the hardest ones right there. Make some noise for Brody Wilson. Cordova flip. Arching your body against the G-forces. It looks like my boys want to take you on a little bit crazier ride. Check this out. Completely vertical, but I think they want a little bit more noise from both left and right side so they can go into even bigger tricks. Look at that left. Somebody makes a noise. That was huge right there. Flip levers are out. Look at really. Yes, look at that. Here's your right side. Like I said, they're listening to who's going to be making the most noise. You guys make the noise. That was the holy grab right there. Completely off the bike, floating in the air. It's the holy grab. Make some noise. Who wants more? You guys want more? Left side. You guys ready? Right side. Landing side. Are you guys ready? 4 riders in the air. Closing the gap as close as possible. We're adding backflips in it. This is where it counts. You guys make the most noise on this one. Let me hear you make some noise for your Nitro Circus riders. Let them hear you make the noise. Let them hear you make some noise. If you guys want to dance, put your hands out. They're coming up.